boyfriend Han. We make educational videos just for you that are fun and exciting. Hope you enjoy this amazing adventure and don't forget to subscribe. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Since you like the other recipe videos so much, we decided to make another one. Today we are making cereal bars!
2 cups of bran, 1 cup of oats, half a cup of honey, and 1 cup of peanut butter.
You will find all the measurements again in the description down below. Shall we begin, Hon?
Yes.
I want to melt all the peanut butter into the bowl. Ask a parent to help you. Doesn't it look yummy, Hon?
Lovely.
Add your oats. And also add your bran flakes. Mix together.
Can I have a spoon, please?
Line it with foil. And pour the mixture all in. Feel free to add any nuts or fruit such as raisins or cranberries.
Yummy, yummy for my tummy.
Holly, you say that for everything.
This never get old.
Now just flatten it out, and then you'd want to put it in the fridge for about 1 hour to 2 hours.
I can wait to be ready. That was the easiest pie. While we wait, we made some popcorn and watch a movie. I can hear the popping. You need to be careful, it's hot.
Oh, wow. Ouch! That's why. How much is inside?
Whoa.
More? Okay, that's it.
Want every boss.
Oh, we already got one.
For all of them.
If the council finds this place, they'll treat them like...
This popcorn is delicious.
It really is. How do you think the movie is going?
It's really funny.
Anything for you, Cinders?
This was taking too long, so to speed up the process, we put them in the freezer.
They're good.
This is a healthy alternative. Instead of sugar, we use honey. Thanks to the bran flakes and oats, these cereal bars have lots of fibre in them. This is a dairy-free recipe and it's fun to make for the whole entire family. And it only includes 4 ingredients, which are peanut butter, bran flakes, oats, and honey. Holly, have you eaten any of these bars?
No. That's